Hey, do you find difficult speaking or learning English language or any other language? If yes or no, comment below. Have you done? Okay. Some of you might have written yes and some of you might have written no. Now, for those who have written yes, let me explain to you speaking or learning English or any other language is not difficult. I'll explain to you. Do you know polyglots? No? Okay, I'll explain it. Polyglots are those persons or those people who can speak more than 5 languages fluently, and they have the ability to speak and learn multiple languages. Only 3% of the world's population can speak over 4 languages, and about less than 1% can speak about more than 5 languages. If you don't believe me, I'll tell you a few names who can speak more than 5 languages. Okay, number one is PV Narasimha Rao, who served as a 10th Prime Minister of India. He speaks about 17 languages. Okay, out of which level were Indian languages and 6 were foreign languages. And number two, Swami Ramabhadracharya, who is a religious leader and he is blind from very young age. He can speak about 22 Indian languages. And number three, Zubain Faizan, who is born in Libya and claims the world Guinness record for speaking about 59 world languages. So, like this, many more. And if you still find difficult learning one languages, it's absolutely not. Okay. So, how they are learning this many languages? There are many unique ways that polyglots learn languages. I'll share few of them. Number one is, first you have the willingness to learn the language. It's not like that you are learning any subject or anything. It should come from inside. And number two, make it fun, not boring. As a child, when you are learning anything new, you feel so excited and you won't feel any boring while learning that thing. And number three is, spend a lot of time learning languages. If you are reading any book, read it completely. Or if you are listening to any podcast series, you complete it. Four is shadow technique. It means you have to listen to any speaker or any audio and you have to repeat it. It's like imitating. Number five is create a system in learning. It's not like that first day you spend around 1 to 2 hours and the next day you spend around 30 minutes. It's not like that. Make a schedule. You will learn the language in this specific time daily. For example, start with 10 minutes and then 20 and then 30 and then so on. And like this, many polyglots use different methods to learn languages. Like some of use translators and some of them learn language by subtitles, and some of them learn important words and they go to the native speaker and start speaking in their language, and so on. There are many different ways. So now, if you won't find difficult in learning any language, so go on and start learning. Thank you for watching the video.